Welcome back and thanks for staying with us.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Jamaicans are being told to brace for higher prices on another staple item.
And this time we're talking about flour. Here's Nakinski Robinson with our story.
There is a pressure at the pumps and no pressure on Jamaicans' plates. This as the price of one of the most consumed grain products, flour, will be increased in the coming weeks. This means bread, buns and other baked goods may soon cost more, another hit to consumers' pockets. Effective May 18, the price of a flour and select bakery mixes sold by Jamaica Flour Mills, the country's main local miller, will go up. In a letter to its clients on May 4, the company said the adjustments follows a sustained period during which it made every effort to absorb rising costs across raw materials, packaging, freight, and other manufacturing-related expenses. It says despite its efforts, the continued increases driven by global market conditions made it necessary to implement the change. JF Mills holds a dominant position as the primary manufacturer of flour in Jamaica, with its products feeding a significant portion of the population. The company has also committed to review prices if market conditions improve. This is the second widely consumed food item that some Jamaicans may have some difficulty accessing after Pan-Caribbean Sugar pulled several batches that were contaminated. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.